Namaskaram. Hello everybody. I would like to share a video in which I will demonstrate some of the ideas that I use or incorporate while trying to compose a jati or a korvai, which I think and I hope will be useful for all the Bharatanatyam dancers out there who enjoy composing. These are basic yet simple ideas, but will make your jati or your composition more interesting. This is related to a Tirmanam. As we all know, Tirmanam plays one of the most vital parts of a jati or a korvai. The more intricate, the more interesting and the more enjoyable it becomes. Let us begin with different ideas of playing the same Tirmanam in a particular jati. For today, let us begin with a Tishra Jati Tirmanam, Chinna Tirmanam. The chollas are Tat Thing, Din Na Tom Tat Thing, Din Na Tom Tat Thing, Din Na Tom Ta. I will demonstrate different methods of playing the Tirmanams in this Tishra Jati. I will be reciting the same Tishra Jati, Tat Thing, Din Na Tom, but will be playing in different ways. Beginning with the first, the most basic and the simple method for playing a Tishra Jati Tirmanam. Tat Thing, Din Na Tom Tat Thing, Din Na Tom Tat Thing, Din Na Tom Ta. This was flat as per the cholle. Going on to the next one. Tat Thing, Din Na Tom Tat Thing, Din Na Tom Tat Thing, Din Na Tom Ta. So tat tik tat tat tik tat tai 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 tik tai. Moving on to the next one. Tat Thing, Din Na Tom Tat Thing, Din Na Tom Tat Thing, Din Na Tom Ta. So tat tik tat tai tik tai tai tik tai tat tik tat ta. Next one. Tat Thing, Din Na Tom Tat Thing, Din Na Tom Tat Thing, Din Na Tom Ta. Ta, taking the ta as karvai. Tat tik tat tat tik tat tik tat tat tik tat tik tat tat tik tat ta. This same method can be played in usi, that is offbeat also, leaving the first matra. Tat Thing, Din Na Tom Tat Thing, Din Na Tom Tat Thing, Din Na Tom Ta. Tat tik tat tat tik tat tik tat tat tik tat tai tik tai ta. Next one. Here I have taken the first tishram, first takitta in the male column. So instead of taking one tishram, I have taken two tishrams over there. Takitta takitta tak tik tat tat thing, Din Na Tom Tat Thing, Din Na Tom Tat Thing, Din Na Tom Ta. Going on to the next one, which is again flat from samam. Tat Thing, Din Na Tom Tat Thing, Din Na Tom Tat Thing, Din Na Tom Ta. Tak tat tak tat dim me tak tik tak tak tik tat tai ta. Going on to the next one. Now, as we know, Tishra Jati Tirmanam comprises of 18 matras. The total is 18. As Tirmanam is done 3 times and one Tishra Jati has 6 matras, 3 into 6 is 18. Let us see how we can divide these 18 matras using various jatis. Till now we were playing as per the Tishra Jati only. Let us see how different jatis can be incorporated in the same Tishra Tirmanam. Beginning with 4, 5 and 6, that is Chatushra Jati, Khanda Jati and Tishra Jati. The total comes to 15 matras, 4 plus 5 plus 6. So out of 18, if we have 15 matras for the Tirmanam, we have 3 matras remaining. So let us see how the karvai or the gap can be incorporated in these 3 matras. The first method is where we start from samam. Tat Thing, Din Na Tom Tat Thing, Din Na Tom Tat Thing, Din Na Tom Ta. So 1 karvai after chatushram and 2 karvais after khandam. So 1 plus 2. tai tai thit tai 1 tai 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 thit tai 1 2 tai 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 thit tai tak tak dhimmi tak 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 tit tak 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 tit tak tak tit tak tam. Let us see how the same kanak or the same calculation can be used in a different, can be played in a different method. So instead of dividing the karvais as 1 and then 2, let us divide the karvais equally, that is 1, 1 and 1. Since 3 karvais are remaining, 1, 1 and 1. So a karvai, beginning with the karvai, it will be tat thing, tin nat tom, tat thing, tin nat tom, tat thing, din nat tom tam. 1 tai tai thit tai 1 tai 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 thit tai 1 tai 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 thit tai tam. So a karvai before chatushram, a karvai before khandam, a karvai before tishram. Going on to the next one. Tat thing, tin nat tom, tat thing, tin nat tom, tat thing, tin nat tom tam. So this was 4 plus 2, 2 plus 4, 4 plus 2. This can be played in the form of a samayati, that is samam, all three times the same way, but this reverse method was just to give it a different touch. So 4 plus 2 and then reverse 2 plus 4, again reverse 4 plus 2. I would like on to the next one. That thing, gin nat tom, that thing, gin nat tom, that thing, gin nat tom tam. So tak kit tak kit tak kit tak kit tak kit tak kit tam. So the third and the fourth matra are taken as karvais. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. So just another idea before concluding. If you want to have a bigger tirmanam in a jati, if the tirmanam has to be a big one, it can be made more interesting by incorporating the same tishra jati or the same 18 matras thrice. That is first set of 18 matras, second set of 18 matras and third set of 18 matras. So either of these variations can be taken and incorporated. Just for an example, tat thing, tin nat tom, 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 tat thing, tin nat tom tam. These are some of the ideas or some of the methods in how Tishra Jati can be played, Tishra Tirmanam can be played with the Tirmanam Cholle. I hope this helps you all, and I'll be very happy if you all can share your ideas. I'm sure it will help all of us. Thank you. Namaskaram. Dhanyavad.